Here we're going to take a look at exercise number 12. In exercise number 12, we have a number of questions here, and we are looking for the answers in this column. Okay, so pay attention to the person. For example, Ruth is a girl's or a woman's name. Mike is a boy's or a man's name. Melanie is a girl's or a woman's name. Okay, this means that you have to try and find pronouns that reflect the person. Melanie is a girl, so she. Ruth is a girl, she. Mike is a boy. You're looking for he. There are others in which there is reference to many people. Okay, so this is something that you got to bear in mind before attempting this exercise. So I now want you to pause, try the exercise, and I suggest that once again you write both the questions and the answers in your notebooks. Okay, pause it, try it, and then I'm gonna give you the answers. Something else that you must be careful about is other pronouns like them, like her. Okay, so be careful with them too. Okay, I hope you're done with it. So I'm giving you the answers. Did Ruth visit her cousin yesterday? The right answer is D. Yes, she did. She was glad to see her. Here we have she for Ruth, and we have her for the cousin. Number 2. Did you go to a national park? The answer is F. No, we didn't. You here speaks of many people. Okay, no, we didn't. And the reason why we didn't was that it was too cold and snowy. In number 3, did Mike like the band? Band is a group of people who play music. So we are looking for something in the sentences here that can help us. We have Mike, which tells us that it's he, but band can be connected with another word. The answer is E. So, did Mike like the band? No, he didn't. He doesn't like going to concerts. Concerts, okay, is an event where they play music. So, we connect it with the word band. Number 3. Did your mom and dad watch a DVD? And the answer is A. Yes, they did. Mom and dad, they. It was great. It, the DVD. Okay. Number 5. Did Melanie have onions on her pizza? The answer is C. No, she didn't, Melanie. Okay, she. She hates them. What are them? Onions. She hates them. And finally, number 6. Did you learn a lot at school today? So the answer is B. Yes, I did. The question was, did you learn? So yes, the answer is yes, I did. I learned, once again, the verb learn, we saw it here too in the question, about healthy and unhealthy food. What is good to eat and what is bad to eat, what is not good to eat. Now we have a challenge here. You will have to change the answers into the opposite. What does this mean? That where you had yes, I did, yes, she did, yes, we did, you will turn it into negative, and you will give some extra information. This is a little bit more difficult. Okay. An example that I can give you here is did Ruth visit her cousin yesterday? Uh, no, she didn't. She was not at home. So now take your time and think of as many ideas as possible. All right. And then I'm going to give you some extra ideas myself. Pause it here and start working. The positive answers will turn into negative, and the negative will turn into positive. And as I said, you will also give an extra piece of information. Okay, let's continue with some other answers to the question. So, question number 2. Did you go to a national park? Yes, we did. There were some amazing animals there. Number 3. Did Mike like the band? Yes, he did. He likes going to concerts. Number 4. Did your mom and dad watch a DVD? No, they didn't. They went to bed early. Number 5. Did Melanie have onions on her pizza? Yes, she did. She loves them. And finally, number 6. Did you learn a lot at school today? No, I didn't. I slept during the lesson. I hope you didn't sleep during the lesson. Bye for now. See you soon. Bye. Bye, children.